How to delete Instagram messages and the conversation that is already sent. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can delete this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Instagram and here you have to go in the chat section, and let's say if you send the message and you want to delete this but it is already sent in the conversation. So now how you can delete this? You just have to tap, press and hold it, and as you can see that there is the various option. One is the reply, added, forward, copy and the unsend. So you just have to click on the unsend, and after that the message is deleted from the conversation. So you just have to click on it and you have the confirmation to unsend it. Click on it and you are able to unsend the message in the conversation. Now if you want to delete the whole chat, what you have to do is go back and press and hold the chat, and you have to press and slide it into the left side, and as you can see that here is the option to delete the entire conversation. You just have to click on it and you are able to delete it. So this is how you can delete the Instagram messages and conversation that is already sent in the chat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.